Ever pondered the possibility of earning your own money as a teen? Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll delve into the world of teen entrepreneurship and provide a step-by-step guide on how to start making money. First things first, get to know your skills. You possess talents, whether it's baking mouth-watering cookies or solving complex math problems. Recognize your strengths and think about how to monetize them. Next, conduct a market research. See who might be interested in your skills. You might be surprised to find out how many people are willing to pay for your talents. Parents in your neighborhood might need a math tutor for their kids, or local bakeries could be interested in your unique cookie recipes. Third step, create a plan. Now that you've identified your skills and your potential market, it's time to plan how to get your talent out there. If you're a baker, you might want to start by selling your goods at local fairs. If you're a tutor, maybe you can start by giving lessons to a few kids in your neighborhood. Fourth step, set your prices. Don't undervalue your skills. Research what others are charging for similar services and set a fair price for yours. Remember, you're offering a valuable service and you should be compensated accordingly. Fifth step, promote yourself. Use social media, flyers, word of mouth, any method you can think of to get the word out about your services. The more people know about what you're offering, the more potential customers you'll have. Sixth step, deliver quality work. Once you start getting clients, make sure to deliver your best work. Happy customers are likely to refer you to others, and this can lead to more business for you. Lastly, stay flexible and open to learning. The journey of making money as a teen is a learning experience. You'll make mistakes, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, use them as opportunities to grow and improve. So, to summarize, start by recognizing your skills, then conduct market research. Create a plan and set your prices. Promote yourself and ensure you deliver quality work. And remember, stay flexible and open to learning. This journey might seem daunting, but it's definitely worth it. Not only will you make money, but you'll also gain invaluable experiences and skills along the way. So why not take the first step today? Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like it, subscribing is the best way to stay updated. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss our latest content. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy earning, Teen Titans!